Stephen Fry, a national treasure, a literary genius, and a beloved entertainer. But when it comes to his personal life, the 67-year-old actor and writer has always preferred to keep things private. And that includes his marriage to husband Elliott Spencer. So why has the couple not been seen together in public for 6 years? Let's dive into the real story. Stephen Fry and Elliott Spencer tied the knot in January 2015. Their love story made headlines not just because of their affection for each other, but also due to their 30-year age gap. While many fans were thrilled for Fry, some critics had opinions about their relationship. However, Spencer once responded to this scrutiny by saying, and I quote, "I don't care what people think. Stephen is the love of my life, the light of my life." Despite their high-profile relationship, the couple has chosen to keep their private life just that, private. In a recent interview, Fry revealed that he and Elliott don't attend public events together because they simply prefer a quieter life at home. And what does that look like? Well, according to Fry, it's early dinners, watching Jeopardy, and heading to bed before the world of showbiz even begins its night. Despite not appearing together in public, the couple recently celebrated a major milestone, 10 years of marriage. Stephen took to social media to express his happiness and gratitude, marking a decade of love and laughter. Fans were quick to share their support, applauding the couple for staying true to themselves. So, while the world may not see them together on red carpets, their love is still going strong behind closed doors. And really, isn't that what matters most? After all, as Elliott once said, humor is the binding thing in our life. We laugh all the time. What do you think about Stephen Fry and Elliott Spencer's choice to keep their relationship out of the spotlight? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more celebrity insights. Until next time, take care.